VPN, or a virtual private network, is really a server computer commonly used to mask IPs, hide, or encrypt internet traffic, and is commonly known for bypassing regional restrictions. The idea is to create a secure connection to another computer somewhere in the world, potentially being in other countries. The reason that a VPN will ignore a local network's rules is because the server is not on a network and therefore not governed by these rules. While you are more private, this doesn't mean that your internet traffic is not visible on the network, meaning you aren't completely anonymous, as websites and internet service providers may still be able to tell that VPN is in play. So this raises the question, is a VPN really necessary for your online safety, or is it just the hype? Well, no, a VPN can't keep you safe alone. You'll still need to be informed on the potential threats you could face while browsing the internet and take the necessary precautions to remain safe. I believe that VPN is useful in creating another layer of security by separating yourself from a local network's restrictions and making it more difficult to see your information. The speed of browsing may also be an undesired outcome when using a VPN, and sometimes even if you use a VPN to bypass restrictions, a website or network could attempt to block a connection and it thinks is through a VPN. So my conclusion is yes, a VPN could be a useful tool in remaining ever so slightly more secure. I mean, the first VPN that was ever used was for businesses to create a secure connection to the internet. It has its use cases if you're interested in browsing the web some more dark corners. But if you're watching YouTube, do you really need that extra pad slowing you down? Probably not. So the answer is also no. It has its use cases, and ultimately it's up to you to decide whether it's necessary to mask your computer's information or not. Obviously, we can go down a rabbit hole while looking into the technicals of a VPN and its use cases, but this is where you like the video and sub up. This will help me understand the direction we should guide the channel. If you have any topics that you'd like me to cover, you can leave a comment below and I'll get around to it. You can also leave any questions in the comments and I'll get around them too in the future. Until next time, thank you very much. Deuces.